Okay, Elijah, do you want to see what's in the box?
Yeah!
What's it for?
Elijah!
What's it for Elijah?
Elijah's his birthday.
Okay. Now, what did we say? You have to give it back before your birthday, right? Because this is one of the decorations, right?
Yeah.
Okay. It's part of how we're going to get ready for the party.
Oh, I knew that was happening.
Do you know what it is, Elijah? Don't look. What do you think it is? Look at this, Elijah. What do you think of that? You want what? Move back, Juliana. Move back, please. What did you say, Elijah? Well, you'll have to go get your trash truck, Elijah. What does this remind you of, Elijah? This type of trash can. Where, Juliana? I'm getting it. Where have you seen this type of trash can, Elijah? In what book? In Match Trash. Smash Match Trash. Which truck are you going to use it with, Elijah? Your big orange one or your big green one? Big green one? Okay, go get it. What do you think about those trash cans?
No.
Elijah, do you like the trash can?
Yes. Do you not like the trash can?
He does like the trash can.
I'm asking him a question. I said, do you not like the trash can? Or do you like the trash can? I like that. Do you not like the trash can or you do like the trash can?
Very fun. You're what? Go get it, go get it, go get it. Go get your trash truck. No one's going to take your can. It'll be right there when you get back.